Okay, today I'm going to teach about ratios. So, what is ratios? Ratios is one of the popular tools of financial statement analysis. In simple way, ratios is the quotient form when one magnitude is divided by another measure in same unit. So, in definition, the ratio is, as indicated, quotient of two mathematical expressions and as the relationship between two or more things. So we're going to in depth of learn about the ratios. What is a ratios? Is a mathematical relationship between two items in quantitative form. Example in classroom, total number of students is 50. We separate as the boys and girls. Boys is 30, girls is 20. Simple, we say the ratios is 3 is to 2 is boys and girls. What is the liquidity ratios? Liquidity ratios is indicator liquidity position of the company. It measure of capability of company to repay its short-term liabilities. It as their fall due. To, and it measure ability of company to meet current liabilities as they fall due. If company has insufficient current asset in relation to its current liability, it might be unable to meet its commitment and be forced into liquidation. Thus, ratio which compare relationship between various group of current asset and current liabilities are compute to measure liquidity position of the company. Such ratios help in ascertaining the effective of the working capital management. So the following are important of liquidity ratio is current ratios. Number two, liquid ratios. Number three, absolute liquid ratios. So we have to know. So I want to teach you current ratios. Current ratios is fundamental measure of company financial condition, namely its ability to meet normal operating obligation. Current ratios compare the total current asset with total current liabilities. It is computed by divide current asset by current liabilities. What is a current asset? Current asset is cash, stock, and working progress, marketable securities, accounts receivable, another and current liabilities is what is include current payable, sundry creditors, accrued income tax, proposed dividend, borrowing from financial institution, and outstanding expenses. So, usually current ratio is used by the trade creditors to estimate the company ability to repay its credit. Current ratios calculated as current ratios equal to current asset divided by current liabilities. So I am and then it is a ideal current ratio is 2 is to 1. Higher ratios indicate as is mentioned as 2 is indicate that company in position to set off its creditors. So lower ratio is mentioned as 1. The is indicated as company is not here in a position to pay off its creditors. Liquid ratio. Liquid ratios are otherwise known as acid test ratios. Is provide even more critical looks at the ability of the company to meet its day-to-day obligation. It signifies very short-term liquidity of a business concern and is therefore also called liquid ratios. Liquid ratios is formula is liquid asset divided by current liabilities. So liquid asset, what is a liquid asset? Liquid asset is current asset. We have to minus the stock and add it the prepaid expenses is called liquid asset. So its ideal liquid ratio is 1 is to 1. So 1 is to 1. Quick asset is could indicate that these assets should be put more productivity or profitable use elsewhere in the enterprise. The asset test ratio is 1 is to 1, usually considered as the ideal and satisfactory. So, however, it is the rules of Trump and should be applied with care. So, advocacy is of ratios depend on industry in which is a firm operates. So, higher ratios should be good. The ROE ratio in that mention as the below of 1 is not good. Third one, absolute liquid ratio. Absolute liquid ratio uh, is called liquid ratios. So liquid ratios is easily we convertible into cash. So test of financial position of the company. So formula of that liquid ratio is cash um, plus bank plus, or even if we have to add the marketable securities. So we have to divide it by the current liabilities. The ideal absolute liquidation is 0.75 is to 1. So as a mentioned that is a we have to um, consider as the ideal and satisfactory. So if higher ratio is above is ideal and satisfactory. If below the lower ratio is not satisfactory. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like it to know the more videos. Thank you.